A beautiful woman named Lisa was on her phone calling someone. A young man named Seal X was merrily walking along when his phone rang, and it was Lisa on the line.
Hello. Yeah.
Hello, Sir X. Why you come here so long? I with you. That's right.
Really? Okay. I know.
Lisa tidied herself up while waiting for her boyfriend to arrive. Suddenly, a car appeared from behind and drove toward her. Some robbers kidnapped Lisa. Seal X saw his girlfriend being abducted and was utterly shocked. He immediately chased after them.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
The robbers dragged Lisa out of the car. She struggled and tried to escape, but they shot her dead.
Go.
The robber who fired the fatal shot panicked upon realizing he had killed someone and fled back into the car. Seal X searched everywhere and happened to find Lisa lying motionless on the ground. When he ran up, he found she was already gone, causing him immense anger.
Gloves.
Seal X used magic pressing a button that summoned weapons. He put on his SWAT armor and readied himself for battle.
Wow. Ooh.
A high-quality gun was placed in Seal X's hands.
Yeah.
Seal X arrived at the robbers' hideout. Spotting the SWAT officer, they opened fire. Seal X shot one robber dead. One by one, he killed off the others as well. Proceeding into the base, Seal X saw two more robbers who ducked away. He rushed forward and engaged them in a shootout. Seal X charged and gunning down each robber. The battle was fierce, and Seal X had to fight many robbers. Yet in a short time, they were all shot dead. A robber spotted the SWAT officer and fired, forcing him to die. But Seal X reacted swiftly, killing the robber. Another robber was also shot dead by Seal X. Seal X took out a bomb, set a timer, and prepared it to explode. Suddenly, Seal X sprang out and fired repeatedly at two robbers. They dodged his bullets and rushed forward from fire.
Go.
The two robbers charged out only to discover no one was there. Seal X leaned down and opened fire on them once more. Seal X gave a mischievous scream. At that moment, the bomb exploded, killing both robbers instantly. And so Seal X avenged his beloved Lisa, leaving the scene with a sense of relief.